This is the blizzard of December 26th. I just got out of the theater, and there's windstorms and wind tunnels everywhere. I could hardly see like 5 feet in front of me. This is insane. And it hasn't even stopped yet. We're about to get a foot of snow overnight. And people are trying. There's not one street plow out. There's not one person shoveling. It's insane. The snow is coming down sideways. I just got stuck. Hi, this is Beth Ann. And I just got stuck in a major wind tunnel down on 50th Street. And people could not see in front of them. Right now we're treading through, look at this. It's insane. And it's going to continue overnight. Let's just get our asses inside right now. And to Juan, who's in the Caribbean, I hate you. But I love you, but I hate you right now. Not one person out here shoveling. Look at that. You can't even see in front of you. I need to get inside or I'm gonna suffer from hypothermia. Oh, I just burped, sorry. This is insane. Really, really, really insane. Not one street sweeper. I'm signing off for now.